everyone, let's start to learn about passive components used in fixed orthodontic practice. At the end of this presentation, students should be able to explain the passive components used in fixed orthodontics appliances. We shall see in this presentation passive components such as bracket, molar bands, molar tubes, various orthodontic accessories such as lingual buttons, crimpable hooks, stainless steel ligature wire, and elastomeric module. Let's start with the passive components of fixed orthodontic appliances. Passive components are the components which are bonded onto the tooth or banded and which doesn't carry out any orthodontic tooth movement on their own. For example, molar bands which are cemented onto the tooth, brackets which are bonded directly onto the tooth, molar tubes, here they are bondable molar tubes, lingual attachments such as lingual buttons and some crimpable hooks, elastomeric modules and ligature wire. Let's check about molar bands. Bands are the thin strips of stainless steel which are adapted to the contours of the tooth to which attachments are welded or soldered. Bands can be pre-formed or custom made. Here we can see pre-formed bands. Molar bands can be cemented on molars, premolars as well as incisors. Next component of fixed orthodontic appliances is molar tube, which is a passive component. Molar tube has a main arch wire slot through which base arch wire can be inserted. Lingual attachments such as lingual buttons is another form of passive component of fixed orthodontic appliances. Lingual buttons are used for attachment of elastics and elastomeric modules. Crimpable hooks are also passive component of fixed orthodontic appliances. Crimpable hooks can be crimped or attached onto the base arch wire where nitide close coil springs or elastic chain can be attached. Ligature wire are the soft stainless steel wire of 0.008 to 0.010 inches in diameter. Ligature wire is used to hold or ligate the arch wire into the bracket. Elastic ligature or elastomeric modules are also a passive component of fixed orthodontic appliances used to secure the arch wire in the edgewise or pre-adjusted edgewise brackets. They can be easily engaged under the bracket wings. Depending upon the site and the purpose of placement of elastomeric module, it could be used as an active component in fixed orthodontic appliance therapy. For example, elastomeric module can be used as an active lace backs in closure of extraction spaces. Bracket is a passive component of fixed orthodontic appliances. The force required for orthodontic tooth movement is transmitted from the active component through the bracket to the tooth. Based on the material used to fabricate the bracket, brackets can be metallic bracket and ceramic brackets. Width of the bracket slot is either 0.018 inch or 0.022 inches. Brackets are available as weldable or bondable brackets. We can see here bondable brackets. They are bonded directly over the tooth and it has a meshwork under the surface.